Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you 4 ways to add texture to art journal pages, or basically to any type of paper craft, scrapbook page, cards, and so on. So the first method is embossed paper. What you do is you're going to use an embossing folder with a die cut machine and print or embed a pattern, raised pattern, embossed pattern on it, and then add this embossed paper to your project, to your card, to your art journal page, to your scrapbook page. If you don't have a die cut machine with embossing folders, you can always do this with embossing dies that you have manually with a stylus, and then add your embossed pattern. So I'm going to put some links in the description to embossing folders and other types of tools that you can use. So I'm going to emphasize this embossed pattern with some ink. So I'm very gently spreading the ink with a sponge, and you see that only the raised pattern, the embossed pattern, is shown. So it's really cool. So I'm using 3 colors of distress inks, and then I'm going to seal them with some gel medium. The next method to add texture is wrinkled tissue paper. Tissue paper is very thin, so you can wrinkle it and then create a really cool texture of wrinkled paper and then attach it to your project. I'm using gel medium to attach it and then to seal it on the top to make sure that later, if I want to add colors, paints, whatever, then the tissue paper will be protected because the gel medium basically seals it. So I'm just adding little pieces of wrinkled tissue paper for more texture. The next method is to use a glue gun and to actually draw shapes on your project, because the glue gun, the glue that comes out, dries with volume. It doesn't spread. So basically I am drawing waves and waiting for it to dry, and then I'll have little waves of dry hot glue that I can go ahead and paint with a brush so they will be visible. So this is a really cool way. You can draw almost anything. You can write with the hot glue gun. You can draw any shape that you like, circles, hearts, lines. And when it's dry, it has a volume, so it adds texture, and it's raised from the paper. So that is really, really cool. Now you can see this on my art journal page. I'm also adding a little bit of sprays for extra color. And the final way to add texture is to use chipboard letters, or actually you can use any chipboard shape that you want. Chipboard, of course, has some height because it's thick. So when you add it to your project, to your scrapbook page or art journal page or card, then it adds texture, it adds volume. So I'm going to spell some words with my chipboard letters, and that will add extra texture. So basically when you add texture, you can feel it with your fingers, you can see it with your eyes, and it is something that really adds to your project. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.